Hello everyone, this is my review of the AFANS Camo Clogs for men. These slip-on sandals feature a camouflage pattern, making them suitable for garden work, beach outings, or casual wear. Constructed with materials that ensure ease of movement and ventilation, keeping your feet cool during extended wear. The outsole is designed to provide traction on various surfaces. The clogs are easy to put on and take off, offering convenience for quick errands or outdoor tasks. While comfortable for general use, overall the 8 Fans Camo Clogs combine practicality with a rugged aesthetic, making it a versatile choice for various outdoor activities. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.